Hello, you're looking at my Mr. Lincoln rose bush, which is a great rose for cut flowers. And today I'm going to show you a simple trick to make sure you've got nice roses for Valentine's Day. So all you need to do is to prune your rose bush back hard around 7 weeks before Valentine's Day. So I'm doing this on the 26th of December. And you'll find that that's just enough time for the rose to the bush to shoot out some new shoots, and you'll get some lovely flowers on those new shoots. Yeah, so keep cutting back your rose bush. Cut off those long straggly stems. Okay, I finished pruning the rose bush back now. And you can see that it's been cut back quite severely. Okay, it's 7 weeks later. This is the 11th of February, and there's two lovely red roses on this bush, ready to be picked. There's the first one, and there's the second one. And they've both got nice long stems for those roses. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.